Alpha-hydroxy acid products are trending nowadays. People are spending thousands of rupees on them. They all are unknown to the natural source of AHAs, which is hibiscus. Now to make AHA toner, take 4 spoons of hibiscus flower powder. AHAs are water-soluble acids. They help peel away the surface of your skin so that new evenly pigmented cells may generate. Hibiscus encourages all-round fresher, younger and smooth complexion. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, which fights with free radicals, so it works as an anti-aging agent. Now add 1 glass of hot water in it. Now mix it well. Now strain it and let it cool, and you're ready with your AHA toner. Use this toner in your night skincare routine and you will be amazed with the results. Please like, share and subscribe.